Since 1974, World Environment Day has been celebrated every year on 5th June. The day, renowned for environmental awareness, encourages governments, businesses, celebrities, and common men to take action and focus on environmental issues. World Environment Day also inspires us to live in close harmony with the earth and act together for nature. This World Environment Day 2020 is the time for nature so that together we can act for nature. With the global pandemic COVID-19 disease, nature is probably sending us a message to live in harmony with the earth and to care for ourselves. We must also care for nature. Every year, World Environment Day offers a global platform for every one of us to make positive changes. The individuals can think of the way they consume, businesses can opt for greener models, manufacturers, including farmers, can implement ways to produce more sustainably. The government should also safeguard wild spaces, and youth can highlight and become gatekeepers of a green future. The environment requires all of us. The food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the climate that makes our planet habitable all come from nature. Yet, these are exceptional times in which nature is sending us a message. The message is to care for ourselves, we must care for nature. It's time to wake up, to take notice, to raise our voices. It's time to build back better for people and planet. This World Environment Day, it's time for nature. We can ask ourselves that what can we do to contribute in the environment protection? Well, each one of us has a role to play in saving the environment and preserving nature for human well-being. As individuals, we must rethink what we buy and use and become conscious consumers. Here are a few actions we can take to save the environment. Plant trees. Each one of us can plant a sapling at least once a year and take care of it for a year. Save electricity. Use energy efficient light bulbs instead of regular bulbs. Lower your air conditioning or heat when it is not necessary. Maximize the use of natural lights and air to light and cool your home. Be more energy efficient. Save water, don't waste it. Reduce the amount of paper in your life. Since 40% of the world's commercially cut timber is used for paper, therefore, we must learn to minimize the use of paper. Also, this endangers natural habitats and uses a ton of water. Use reusable bags. Plastic bags have become a real threat to our planet. They cannot be recycled and get thrown out. They end up in landfills or in other parts of the environment. Carpool when possible or use public transport whenever and wherever possible. Avoid taking cars. Recycle and reuse, be it a bottle, jar or plastic. always think of ways to recycle or reuse them. Create a compost pile. Even if you have a small backyard, you can try this eco-friendly disposal method. Save the environment from all kind of pollution. Keep it free from air, water, and noise pollution. माटी कहे कुम्हार से, तू क्या रो दे मोहे, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा मैं रो दूंगी तोहे. This is a famous couplet written by Sant Kabir, who was a 15th century Indian mystic poet. The meaning of this couplet is, the clay is telling the potter, you think you are the one who molds me? But the fact is that there will be a day when you will reduce to ashes, and then I will mold you. However, in the modern context, we may say that Kabir through this couplet warns humankind not to exploit the nature for selfish gains, or else there will be a day when nature will ruin humans to the extent that they would struggle for their own existence.